No, the fridge, the lights, is not working.
Still? I thought you put a new light in.
Yeah, I did. It's not working.
Ah, come on, let's have a look then. Come on then, let's have a look. What's happening then, Dan?
The fridge light is not working. I mean...
and you've put a new light into it and it's still not working?
Yes.
Is the radio working?
Nope.
Did you check the fuses?
I don't think so. No.
You didn't check the fuses?
I didn't. Unfortunately not.
That's the first thing that you should check.
Yeah, no, I know I shouldn't. But I
so
didn't.
What's happening? So we've put the fridge on and no light. So that light should be coming on. That's the old one and it's still, nothing's working.
Yep.
Okay, and we've got no power on the radio, so the radio's not working.
Yeah, right.
Have you checked the radio fuse?
I did.
So you've checked,
yes.
You've checked that fuse?
Yes, I did.
Now, let me show you something.
Okay.
Right, Dan, so under this seat, we've got our fuse box, haven't we? Yes. And you've checked the radio fuse. Now this is a Bailey, so we've got a aerial and radio fuse, but we've also got a fridge ignition fuse, which is a 2 amp. Now, what's the betting that this fuse is gone, because this actually supplies power to the radio and to the fridge light.
Oh, it's popped.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
Have we got any 2 amp fuses?
Yep.
Right
it's
then.
Popped.
That's a new 2 amp and that works. Let's pop that in. Right then. Hopefully. Let's have a look at the fridge then, Dan. Okay then, Dan, let's have a look inside the fridge.
Okay. Going then.
And we've got a light.
Yes.
And we have also checked the radio. We can't put the radio on or we'll get a copyright strike, so we're not going to put that on. But the radio is working. So if your fridge light isn't working, your radio isn't working, just underneath the seat in the control panel on a Bailey, 2 amp fuse, that should fix it for you. Thanks, I'm Mark at the Caravan place. Of course, I don't mess about like this, innit?
Yeah, of course. You just forget to turn the mic on.
Behind the scenes, just waiting for Dan to
come
do
out
his hair, put his makeup on, put his lipstick on, and take 57, and we might be there. All that we've got to do is fix a fridge light and a radio, and it's a fuse. That's all it is. But like Dan, for some reason, oh no, he's coming.
I know this. It doesn't hold that side.
Oh dear. What did you do, Slick?
Do you want a haircut? A hair clip?
Yeah. I need one.
Where did you go? The woman's barbers.
Jimmy Trim.
Jimmy Trim?
Yeah.
Have you got your solicitor involved?
What? I said it's for him to do like that.
Oh. You told him to do that,
I told him, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, Mark.
Have you put your makeup on?
Not yet.
Oh, come on then, get your makeup on. These, again, are the outtakes.
Mark.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
I will say, Mark, the fridge, the light fridge is not working.
Say whatever you want. Just tell me what's happening.
Okay.
That's all you've got to do.
Can I swear?
No swearing. Take 1. Well, actually, it's about take 6. This is the one. I forgot to put the sound on last time, so this is take
Mark,
7.
I
wasn't ready. I didn't clap.
Oh my gosh, you two.
Take 10. We go filming.
Triple vision.
Imagine when they do the proper film, movie like.
Just like this.
Yeah.
Just like this.
It is pretty much just like this, Dan. Yeah.
So, just 2 screws that hold the light in. So it's putting the old light back on because the old one works. So it's no point putting a new one on because the new one can go on to something else because the old one still worked. So again, this is just a bit behind the scenes that you're not going to see in the final cut. Hopefully.
And it will help if somebody ordered the new light, the light one.
I don't know what he's saying in Italian, but I don't think it sounded very good.
No, really.
If you're Italian, I do apologise for his bad language.
No, it's not bad.
Oh.
He's just talking about the cats outside, isn't he?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on, you don't need to screw it any more than that, don't you? It's already broke.
Make sure.
Right, so we'll shut the door
We'll try
And
that
we'll go,
again.
Hey presto.